Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to apply for a Moneylion cash advance. So the cash advance allows you to borrow money for unexpected expenses or financial emergencies, and here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So let's get straight into it. First you want to do is to log into your Moneylion account using your email address and your password. And once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the cash advance section by just clicking on the cash advance tab. Next, you want to click on apply for a cash advance, and then you want to select the advance amount that you need, and then just review the cash advance terms, including the interest rates and repayment terms. And once you're done with that, just confirm the cash advance application. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a Moneylion cash advance. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.